Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can easily add subtasks in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is being here in Wrike, and when you're going to be here, you just want to click on whatever task you got, right? Like this here. And then you're just going to click here, set date, and add a subtask. And enter title for the new task. I don't know what to do, and voila, here we have it. So what you can do is just simply assign it to someone, and then you can create subtask of that subtask. So that's something you can do, right? And as you can see, when I'm going to open, it will automatically, show me it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.